Hey everyone, Ricky here from Ricky's Tech Talk. Apple has released their new series of iPhone. So I have here the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max in space black, 128GB version. So let's get it unboxed and I'll share my personal thoughts on this brand new iPhone. And also we'll talk about the new dynamic island, as it has been quite controversial. What are your thoughts? Apple are committed to still using their environmentally friendly packaging, so this allows for simply easy access with a quick pull tab. Along the side of your box you'll find the word iPhone, and also on the top you'll find an Apple logo. These will be in the same colour you chose. So all that's left is to simply open up your brand new iPhone, and there it is, front and center. You get to see this color that I chose. So I went for space black. This is also a new color for this year, but their new flagship color is deep purple, which I didn't want to go for this time. There's one last satisfying peel, and that is your screen protection. Also in the box you're going to find your charging cable. This is lightning connection to USB-C. This may change from next year, as all iPhones may be USB-C thanks to a law in the EU. Also at the top you've got your Designed by Apple in California. You'll find your SIM tool, so apart from the US where they only use eSIMs now, you're going to have a SIM tool worldwide. Then you have a range of different paperwork going through legal information, guarantees and warranties. It's really nice to see that these still come in paper form, as most now just send you to an online store. And then finally you get your well-loved Apple sticker. Sadly, it still doesn't come in the colour of the iPhone you chose. Coming back to the star of the show, and that is your brand new iPhone. So you have the iPhone 14 Pro or the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and these are the devices that have the new dynamic island. So let's power our device on. Your power button is down the right hand side, and it's built into the stainless steel band that runs all the way around your iPhone. So once your device has booted up, you're greeted with hello, and you get to see the dynamic island for the first time. If you're like me and want to get the latest iPhone, make sure to check out today's video sponsors. O2 are launching SwitchUp. This allows their customers to have the freedom to change their current phone for a new phone whenever they like and as many times as they like. O2 SwitchUp is automatically included in new O2 Plus plans at no extra cost. Or customers have the choice to add it to a new custom plan as a bolt-on for just $3.99 a month by simply heading to an O2 store to trade in their device. It doesn't matter how long's left on your current contract, switching is easier than ever. The original handset will be checked to make sure it meets grading criteria before switch up. And a new handset and new Plus plan or custom plan will be activated to complete the switch. The handset handed in by the customer will be refurbished and sold like new for someone else to enjoy. With our new iPhone all set up and ready to go, it's time to talk through those key new features that Apple really wanted to highlight for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I'm going to share my thoughts along the way, but also I've got some separate videos on accessibility and how to set up your brand new iPhone, so make sure to stay subscribed to be updated once I release new videos. One of the biggest changes with the iPhone 14 Pro series is the dynamic island. This is the pill-shaped cutout towards the top of your device. This blends software and hardware to bring you a new experience when using certain apps on your iPhone, such as Apple Pay, Music, FaceTime, the ability to set timers, and there's so much more, and obviously they will add more as time goes on. The dynamic island is also the housing for your true depth camera. This is still 12 megapixels in size with an f1.9 aperture. This has autofocus with focused pixels. Video recording is still 4K at 60 frames per second, and the ability to use cinematic mode up to 4K at 30 frames per second. We finally have the ability to have an always-on display, which is really nice as this subtly shifts between a light wallpaper and a dark wallpaper. It still shows you all your information at a glance, and no need to tap to wake your display. If you lay your device screen down on a desk or surface or put it in a pocket or bag, this will actually turn off your display to help save battery life. One of the other key features that Apple spoke about was crash detection, so calls to help you when you can't make a call. So here in the UK it will detect when we've been in a car car crash and call the emergency services for us. So finally, leaving one of the biggest features till last is Apple has massively more pro rear camera thanks to a new sensor. So it has a 48 megapixel main sensor now with an advanced quad pixel sensor. It offers up to 2 times telephoto, and this has an f1.78 aperture. In your telephoto lens, which is 2 times better in lower light photos than the previous generation, and an f2.8 aperture. It has the ability to use 3 times optical zoom. Then finally, your ultra wide lens still has that 120 degrees field of view, so everything and everyone will get in your shots, and it has an f2.2 aperture. Offers up to 4 times resolution for outstanding photos, which I'm really looking forward to sharing on Instagram, and I will be bringing a dedicated video all about photography. Another improvement is if you want to take action shots. So now you can use the new action mode, which removes shakiness or stuttering video, and you can get smooth handheld filming experience. All of these new features are powered by Apple's latest A16 Bionic chipset, which they say is the best chip ever in a smartphone, which they say every year. But with this, we get an all-day battery life as well, up to 29 hours of video playback on the iPhone Pro Max version, and on the Pro version you get 23 hours. So just wrapping up this video with my personal thoughts, the dynamic island is going to take some time to get used to. I would have still preferred the notch cut out to me. I'm looking forward to seeing what it can offer. There's great features throughout the device. The always on display is really good. There's no need to tap and wake my display now. With the new camera, I can't wait to get out and go and take photos and videos. I'm going to see the NFL live here in the UK, so I'll definitely take this phone with me, and I'll definitely get some great shots and even some action shots to remove that shakiness now. I'm looking forward to using this phone as much as I can and sharing as many features as I can with you. Thank you so much for watching to this point of the video. I hope this video has helped you make your decision in which device you're going to buy. I will also be showing other devices in the iPhone 14 series, so make sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and you'll be updated once I release new videos. From me, Ricky, thank you for watching and have a great day.